Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical gas grills, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from gas grills, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best gas grills for backyard BBQs from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Cuisinart Chef-Style Tabletop Portable Propane Gas Grill with Dual Burners. The Cuisinart Chef-Style Tabletop Portable Propane Gas Grill with Dual Burners is the ultimate solution for grilling on the go. With quick and easy setup in under 10 minutes and no tools required, this grill is perfect for those who want to enjoy delicious grilled food wherever they are. Equipped with two powerful 10,000 BTU stainless steel burners, you can create custom heat zones for different foods, ensuring a perfect cook every time. The stainless steel cooking grates ensure even heat distribution, making it ideal for both large cuts of meat and delicate items. Weighing only 22 pounds, this portable grill is lightweight and easy to transport with its folding legs, carry handle, and locking lid. With precise heat control and an integrated thermometer, you'll have full control over your grilling experience. Perfect for camping, tailgating, or backyard BBQs. Number 2. Pit Boss Stainless Steel 2-Burner Portable Gas Grill. The Pit Boss Stainless Steel 2-Burner Portable Gas Grill offers powerful grilling performance in a compact, portable design. Made with a durable 430 stainless steel body and lid, this grill is built to last while delivering excellent heat distribution with its 304 stainless steel cooking grid. The 2,000 BTU burners provide the perfect heat for grilling, searing, and achieving that perfect char. With 274 square inches of cooking space, you'll have plenty of room to cook for friends and family. The grill's portable design features folding legs and a latching hood for easy carrying, making it perfect for tailgating, camping, or backyard BBQs. The push-and-turn ignition ensures quick and reliable startup, while the integrated dome thermometer allows for precise temperature control. Lightweight and easy to transport, the Pit Boss grill is your go-to option for on-the-go grilling. Number 3. Broil Burner Portable Propane Gas Grill. The Char-Broil or propane gas grill is a compact and efficient grilling solution perfect for outdoor cooking. Powered by a 1-pound propane tank, this portable grill heats up quickly, delivering high temperatures and even heat distribution for perfectly cooked meals. With a 240 square inch cooking area, it can grill up to 10 burgers, 4 chicken breasts, or 14 brats at once. Featuring a 9,500 BTU rating, this grill provides optimal performance while using less fuel. The porcelain-coated wire grates resist rust, are easy to clean, and leave great grill marks. A built-in temperature gauge ensures precise heat control, while the piezo igniter makes starting the grill effortless. The control knob adjusts the temperature, and a removable grease tray ensures hassle-free cleanup. Lightweight and portable, this grill is ideal for tailgating, camping, or backyard BBQs. With minimal assembly required, it's ready for your next outdoor cooking adventure. Number 4. Megamaster 1-Burner Portable Gas Grill for Camping. The Megamaster 1-Burner Portable Gas Grill is the perfect companion for camping, tailgating, or picnics, offering portability without compromising on cooking performance. With a generous 360 square inches of cooking space, you can grill up to 17 burgers at once, making it ideal for small gatherings. Powered by an 11,000 BTU stainless steel burner, this grill heats up quickly for efficient cooking. The porcelain-enameled firebox retains heat effectively, while the built-in thermometer on the sleek black lid allows for precise temperature control. The foldable legs and comfortable carrying handles make it incredibly easy to transport and store. Additionally, the removable grease tray simplifies cleanup after each grilling session. Whether you're grilling at a tailgate or enjoying a day in the great outdoors, this compact and powerful grill offers everything you need for a delicious meal anywhere you go. Number 5. Napoleon Gas Stovetop Compatible Portable Gas BBQ Grill. The Napoleon Gas Stovetop Compatible Portable Gas BBQ Grill is a powerful and versatile grill perfect for cooking on the go. With 2 stainless steel tubes burners delivering a total of 12,000 BTUs, this grill offers a high-performance cooking experience with up to 285 square inches of grilling space, capable of cooking up to 17 hamburgers at once. The cast iron cooking grates ensure even heat distribution, prevent food from falling through, and create those signature sear marks that make your meals look and taste amazing. Plus, it's equipped with Napoleon's signature Sizzle Zone side burner, ideal for searing steaks or cooking side dishes and sauces while grilling. Whether you're tailgating, camping, or grilling at home, this compact and portable Bumblebee delivers convenience without sacrificing quality. Enjoy battery-free ignition, easy maintenance, and durable materials designed to last. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.